fascinating. Wow, these are the machines we use at Discount Tire.
Yes, sir.
Nah, like, dude, it just kept hitting the caliper, so it just kept leaking.
Really?
You'll see, it's all chewed the f up on the end. Huge clutch from Direct to You here in Jacksonville, Florida. This guy is freaking awesome. He came and changed out my valve stems to the shorter ones so that we can actually clear the brakes. He's literally able to do any custom wheels and mount and dismount, all that good stuff. Really mobile, and just do it in the back of his trailer. I think it's really awesome. I've never seen something like this. Super cool to see, you know, as somebody that worked from Discount Tire. That's really cool, and he hooked us up today, so we are good to go. And these valve stems clear much better. Hello, Mark. Wow, we're in 4K. All right, we got Mark in the house today. He doesn't. He's like more OG than OG, but he's the one that like taught me like almost everything I know about cars, along with my other two friends, Jonathan and Adam, which you guys will see on the channel eventually. But as you guys just saw a couple hours ago, we had the car get the valve stems replaced. As you guys saw in the last video, in the SubiFest video, we actually had the valve stems hitting the brake calipers over and over again, shaving them until they were leaking air, and then we ended up with a flat tire. So this morning we had Direct Tire to You come on over with his mobile tire specialty skills, come change out the two valve stems, and he hooked it up. So the car is good to go now on the wheel part of it, as if it wasn't before, as we saw in the video, but it is all good to go. And today we have the last piece that goes on the BRZ for SEMA, which is going to be the Lowglow. I'm super excited to have it on the car again. I pretty much lost it when I changed the whole body kit, so we're gonna have to redo it. Luckily, Lowglow sent us out some new strips to throw on the car. All the wiring is still pretty much set up on the car, so we just have to basically mount the strips and then just hook it up to the old wiring. If you guys want to see a full in-depth installation of the Lowglow underglow, I do have another video on my channel that I'll put in the description right here. But for now, we're just gonna be attaching some strips and getting this car to light back up on the road. I'm super excited. Yeah, today I decided to go vlog style for this video because I feel like every video we've been making for the SEMA series has been filmed by Trey and Brandon and hasn't been able to be as raw of a connection between me and the camera, I guess. But yeah, we're just gonna go vlog style today so you guys can kind of see what's going on and get my thoughts on this SEMA prep and all that. Let's go and back the car in. Ta-da! Don't show my address.
Oh.
Shit. Just kidding. Alrighty, Lowglow packaging. I already ripped this open at home to eat the Scooby snacks, but show them that sticker. This is their 400Z they're planning on making. But all we needed was the side strips and the front strips, so it shouldn't be too bad. Let's go ahead and lay these front strips. Pretty much got all the strips mounted.
10 hours.
That was not 10 hours. We got all the strips mounted, but this time was a lot easier than originally because the lip and the side splitter actually have this like, stupid. They actually have this like curl around it that allows the underglow to kind of like tuck underneath, if you can see that. It's kind of hidden. I think that's gonna allow it to last a lot longer than the other strips did. So this wasn't too bad. We just hooked them back up to where all the wiring was previously, and it should work just fine. Let's go ahead and get the car lowered again. One more. All the way. Let's get a nice little test run. Hot boy spec. What color should I make it? This is for my old color setup. It was a 31. I'm gonna write that down. It's green. Dude, white looks good. Warm white. Hello people, this clip is way out of order because I realized I didn't film an outro for this video, but it actually kind of worked out. So essentially this clip that I'm filming right now is way in the future of the video timeline. We actually already went to SEMA, we're already home, so little spoiler alert, we made it home safely, the car made it home safely, but a lot happened throughout the SEMA series that you guys will be seeing. I believe we have 7 episodes coming up of us with the SEMA series in Vegas, hanging out with people, making connections, all that good stuff. So there's definitely a lot of content on the way that you guys are going to absolutely love. But yeah, the Lowglow is done, and as you guys can tell, after a 32-hour drive to Vegas, the Lowglow survived. So I figured it kind of worked. I can give you guys a live update within this video since I know we're super behind on uploads right now, about 2 to 3 weeks behind. So you guys will be catching up in the next 3 weeks while I get to rest and edit and really make sure that those SEMA videos are as high quality as possible. I hope you guys understand why these videos aren't exactly up to date. There's more of a delay to it to add more quality. I would like in the ongoing future to make videos a lot more current, but with the SEMA series, we were crunching it out. Like we were filming every single day, trying to edit every day. It was just like it was an absolute nightmare, to be honest with you guys. Like filming every day and trying to edit and get you guys the videos on time, it was just not happening. So we decided it was best to wait till we got home to just take our time with the videos and show you guys our SEMA experience, you know, as high quality as we could. So yeah, here we are. This is like maybe a week or 2 week into the future for you guys, but just know SEMA was amazing. I hope you guys will get to see how amazing it was for us through the videos, and the Lowglow came out beautifully. This is the color I've decided to run most of the time when the Lowglow's on, but yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. I know this video wasn't high quality like all the other ones that have been filmed for the SEMA series, but it was very last minute and I did not want to just skip on the Lowglow and just act like that wasn't something special for the car, because Lowglow is 100% one of the coolest things you can do to your car. I had to move my car because a tropical storm is coming. But that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.